witnessed in this event?
So this is the third international fleet review which has been conducted in India, and today we have seen participation of more than 70 platforms. This includes 19 ships from 18 other countries, as well as we have ships from the Indian Coast Guard, the Shipping Corporation of India. If we were to talk about the scale and the specifics, this has the maiden participation of the indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant in India's fleet review. We've also had the indigenously constructed submarine, the Kalvari class submarine, which has participated as part of the mobile column. In addition, a large number of our platforms which have been designed and constructed in India, the destroyers, frigates, ASW shallow watercraft, survey vessel large, diving support vessel, they have participated. In addition, we've also had the flypast, which showcases the overall scope of naval aviation and the might, including the fighters, the trainers, the helicopters, long-range maritime patrol aircrafts. So these all have participated in the International Fleet Review this time.
So the current government is focusing towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat and the indigenous war machines, which we have seen today in the display also. What all things which today we saw, what all were indigenous, and how the Navy is focusing on making the Navy fleet more Atmanirbhar.
So Indian Navy's efforts towards indigenization as well as the Make in India. So Indian Navy's indigenization efforts are more than 6 decades old. We have had our organizations involved in design and construction of warships, and it is the outcome of those last 6 decades of effort that we are now seeing a large number of our ships being constructed and designed in India. I have already mentioned INS Vikrant. We also have the destroyers, the Kolkata class, Visakhapatnam class destroyers. We have got the Shivalik class frigates, the latest of the Nilgiri class frigates. We also have the ASW shallow watercraft, diving support vessel. So all these have participated in this ongoing international fleet review, and this also showcases the overall capability and capacity of India to design and construct its own warships.
So since more than 18 countries have been participated in IFR 2026, so what message it is going to deliver to the world, keeping in mind the current geopolitical situations which is going around the globe?
So in Visakhapatnam, we have 3 major events which are taking place: the International Fleet Review, the multinational naval exercise Milan, and conclave of chiefs of the Indian Ocean Naval Symposium. Close to around 72 delegations from all 72 countries are participating in these events, which clearly shows the level of cooperation which exists between the countries, and the acceptability of having a platform which can discuss issues of common interest, primarily focused towards maritime security, considering that the oceans are global commons, and we would like that those who are transiting have safety and security paramount. So that is something which is there, and that is what gets showcased.